All right, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find, and really just assessing the overall condition of the vehicle. Now, before we get started, front to back, this car is fully wrapped in PPF paint protection film. Entire front bumper, headlights, hood, fenders, doors, mirrors, quarter panels, full back bumper, deck lid. Every single piece of this car is fully protected. Looking at the wheels, zero curb rash on the wheels, but if we do get close, you're going to see these little light scuffs every once in a while. And that's on all four wheels. So you're going to have that same effect. It's subtle though, and you got to look really close. And you're going to have a couple tiny rock chips. Date code on all four tires is 2021. Tread looks amazing. Fender is absolutely perfect. I don't see any flaws. A-pillar's nice and clean. That mirror looks good. Like I said, fully wrapped in PPF. Door looks awesome. Door edge is perfect. No chips there. No flaws here on the lower rocker that I can see. Quarter panel all looks really good. Once again, on the wheels, no rash, but you do have these light scuffs and a couple chips if you get close. Kind of look on the edge of the blade. That looks good though. All of that's clean. Looking up here, all that leather looks good. Making our way to the front end, absolutely gorgeous. Now we do have some rash on that lower splitter we'll check out in just a second, but getting close, look how pretty that paint is. Beautiful reflection. I'm not seeing any rock impacts or chips here. Once again, full PPF. All of that looks really nice. The front bumper's clean, so let's get under here and look at the splitter. You do have rash under there, so you're gonna see that. It's on both sides. But if you're about a foot off the ground and you walk around the car, you will not see that. Especially here at eye level. Walking around the car, perfect. Looking at that front bumper up close, all of that is fully wrapped in PPF. Looks really good. Not seeing any flaws that stand out. Fender's perfect, zero rash on this wheel. Once again, up close, you're going to see a couple little scuffs here and there. Date code on tires, 2021. That lower rocker looks good. Door's clean. Mirror looks awesome. All of that looks really nice. And you run your finger down the edge, zero chips. Quarter panel looks good. Here on this wheel, see some little markings again. And here in the trunk, looks amazing. Carpet's nice and clean. All of that looks good. And then it is power. And here in the back seats, they look absolutely gorgeous. Checking out the interior, absolutely gorgeous. Still smells brand new. All of that looks nice. All the carbon, zero separation on leather. That trim looks good. I don't see any scuffs down here. Got the illumination on the ground. Looking at this, all looks amazing. That bolster is perfect. I don't see any scuffs or scratches. Now here on the piping, a couple little scuffs. Other than that, the rest of the seat is in great condition. Still has that nice matte finish to it. I don't see a bunch of wrinkles. Same here on the wheel. You have that nice matte finish to it. Very clean. You got carbon across the cluster. Upper side of the dash looks good. I don't see any scuffs on that screen. Heated cool seats. That gloss black trim looks good. Looks really nice in here.